Well, welcome to Getaway, where I'm halfway through the most incredible journey here in France in the Bordeaux region. And I have to say, this place is as rich in history as it is in flavour. Last week, I discovered grand old chateaus. I mean, when you think of a chateau in France, this is what you think of. Stunning ornamental gardens.
This is absolutely magnificent.
And of course, some world-class wine.
Oh, absolutely delicious.
This week, the 5-star Scenic Diamond will take me to all this and more. Woo! As I continue my 11-day luxury river cruise through beautiful Bordeaux.
Well, there's nothing quite like being on the upper deck of one of these luxury ships. It just glides down the river through the French countryside. And if you've never done one of these cruises, you'll be quite amazed. No rocking, no turbulence, smooth sailing right through this incredible region.
The rivers of Bordeaux are the lifeblood of this area, carrying people, trade, and nourishing the world-famous vineyards. Today, I've arrived in Saint-Emilion, a town founded over 1,000 years ago. Saint-Emilion, one of the most charming, romantic and ancient villages you've ever walked through. And the incredible significance of this town is that it was built on the very foundation that has not only shaped its incredible wines, but the very town itself. For centuries, limestone has been quarried to build this remarkable village, while the surrounding vineyards draw their character from the very same rock.
Well, I have a confession to make.
Oh.
This just happens to be my favourite village in the world.
Really?
Yes.
But you're right.
And every time I see a bottle with Saint-Emilion on it, I buy it straight away. Because the wine here is, I think, the best in the world.
Because you like Merlot wines.
I do.
That's why.
Yeah.
Long before Saint-Emilion became famous for wine, a monk named Emilion arrived here seeking solitude. He carved himself a cave in the limestone, laying the foundations for the town we see today.
He was so famous that a lot of people decided to follow him and to settle here with him. And so a lot of monks and nuns built monasteries and convents in this area.
Wow.
And that made Saint-Émilion nowadays.
And where is that cave?
Underneath.
Oh, under us right here.
Just underneath the terrace.
What began as a humble cave for a monk eventually grew into something far more grand. Carved directly from the limestone beneath our feet, this remarkable monolithic church remains an extraordinary showpiece.
I'm very keen to explore all the churches and all the wine stores.
Especially the wine stores.
Shall we go?
Shall we go?
So this was once a monastery.
It was a monastery. We have plenty of monasteries in Saint-Émilion because monks wanted to be close to Saint-Émilion, to the grave of Saint-Émilion. So they built many, many monasteries in this city. And so they made worship Lord, and they made wine, maybe to forget that they were singles.
Whether it was faith, wine, or a bit of both that attracted people here, Saint-Emilion always has a way of drawing you in.
Well, it's not every day you get to wander around these cobblestone streets of a village that was created back in the 8th century. And you can totally imagine yourself just getting a little apartment here for the summer and just forgetting about the rest of the world and exploring all these holes in the wall.
Before the more colourful Parisian macarons became famous, Saint-Emilion was winning hearts with its own version, an almond biscuit that's been a local specialty for centuries. Local nuns are said to have begun making them, and Fabrique de Macarons still uses the 400-year-old recipe today.
C'est magnifique. Merci. Oh, free?
Free!
Oh, I love this place.
Okay, so maybe you have to be a Getaway presenter with a film crew in tow for them to be free. But I guarantee you'll love them just as much as I do.